Ever wonder what high blood sugar levels can do to your body? Well, the answer is more than you might think. High blood sugar, often a precursor to diabetes, can wreak havoc on your health. It's like a silent intruder, sneaking in and causing damage before you even realize it's there. It can start with fatigue, headaches, or increased thirst. But if left unchecked, high blood sugar can lead to more serious complications, including damage to vital organs like your heart and kidneys. Over time, this damage can become irreversible, leading to chronic conditions that can significantly impact your quality of life. And that's not all. Maintaining balanced blood sugar levels is crucial for your overall health, affecting everything from your energy levels to your mood. It's about more than just avoiding sweets. It's about nurturing your body and giving it what it needs to function at its best. But don't worry, nature has provided us with some amazing drinks to help manage these levels. Ever thought that apple cider vinegar could be a potent weapon against high blood sugar? This common kitchen staple is a powerhouse of acetic acid, a substance known to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. It's not just a salad dressing anymore. Picture this, an elixir that's easy to prepare and beneficial for your health. You'll need 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Pour it into a glass of warm water. The warmth of the water helps to blend the vinegar more effectively. Now, if you're thinking this might be a bit too tart for your taste, worry not. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon to it. Not only does this add a refreshing twist, but lemon itself is known for its health benefits, including its ability to aid digestion. So, there you have it. Drink this elixir before your meals and let it do wonders. Simple, isn't it? But remember, consistency is key. Now let's move on to our second natural drink, fenugreek water. This humble herb is a powerhouse when it comes to blood sugar regulation. The magic lies in its rich composition of soluble fiber, which can slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, thereby reducing your blood sugar levels. So how do we prepare fenugreek water? It's quite simple. You'll need 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Soak these seeds in water overnight. This is a crucial step as it helps to soften the seeds and release their nutrients. Come morning, you'll notice the water has turned slightly viscous, indicative of the soluble fiber released by the fenugreek seeds. Now strain out the seeds, but don't discard them. You can add them to your salads or curries for an extra health kick. All that's left to do is drink this water on an empty stomach. It's as simple as that. A bit of preparation, but the health benefits are worth it. So, we have explored 2 natural drinks that can help lower high blood sugar levels. We started off by discussing the significant impact of high blood sugar on our health. It's nothing to take lightly, as it can lead to serious health complications if left unchecked. We then turned our attention to the potential of natural remedies. Nature often holds the answers we seek, and in this case, it provides us with simple yet effective solutions to manage our blood sugar levels. Let's not forget the 2 recipes we discovered. First, the apple cider vinegar elixir, a refreshing blend with a tangy kick. And then, the fenugreek water, a soothing concoction with a hint of sweetness. Remember, it's always essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. With these natural drinks, managing high blood sugar could be just a sip away. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed. Have a recipe or idea for better, healthier living? Then leave a comment below. Who knows, maybe we will add it to our harmonysmoothie.com site. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe. Want to learn more about creating amazing smoothies, healthy eating to improve your life, smoothie technology and kitchen essentials? Then remember to head on over to harmonysmoothie.com for more great recipes and smoothie tips and tricks.